Hey guys, it's Anthony. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update about the progress on the boat build. It is weekend 4 and I'm working about 7 hours every Saturday, Sunday. And I just finished the framing on this, so I wanted to give you guys a peek at what I've done so far. Here's the back bench seat. There'll be 2 seats, left and right seat, or starboard port seat. There'll be 2 recessed cup holders there, a rocker panel in the center, and then in the back hole right there is going to be a 12-volt power jack, as well as right here there'll be, you can see my hand, see, light, another 12-volt power jack. There'll be 2 more cup holders. There'll be another light over there. Back in the seat you can see another 2 lights right there. So there'll be a total of 4 deck lights right here where your feet are. I finished the floorboard today. Also finished the this hatch right here that you're looking at, the center hatch. And under here there'll be 2 more lights under the in the storage bin. So whenever you open that up at night, you'll be able to see. I finished this front little bow, whatever you want to call it, bow partition. What it does is gives the nav light the height it needs to be over the rail. So my port starboard nav light for nighttime fishing, as well as there's going to be a cleat here. There'll be a couple cleats in the back. But here it is. It's been a long, arduous process so far to get to this point, but I can finally say that the framing is done. Hopefully it doesn't weigh more than 200 pounds. Next week I'm going to bring it inside the plant, main plant, and I'm going to disassemble, take all the framing apart. I'm going to put it on industrial size scales. We're going to weigh it all and see what it comes to, the weight. I'm hoping for under 200, but keep my fingers crossed. We'll see what happens, because there is a lot of wood on here. Not a super lot, but there is enough. And then after that we'll be water sealing. I'll have to put 3 or 4 coats of water seal on all the wood, and then just go into the carpeting all the panels. That's going to take some time. And then I'll reassemble the frame, put the frame back into the boat, and then I'll start running my wires and for my electronics, because I'm going to have a bilge pump, stern light, the bow nav light. There'll be the deck lights, storage lights, power sockets, like I was already saying. So that's going to take a little time. But this is where I'm at, weekend number 4. Got some hours in this thing, and it's coming along, and I'm fairly happy with it right now. But it's not over till it's over. It's not over till the fat lady sings, right? So anyways, there it is. There's the update. Talk to you guys later. storm issue here. A lot of water coming in here right now from outside. It's real windy and rainy right now. It was snowing, now it's raining, so the water's coming in. But I wanted to give you guys a quick preview of what I've done and to show you the lights, because I got everything wired up now. I've got foam down there setting up, more foam. Welded aluminum battery box right there for my electronics. Back here I have my rocker panel and 12-volt power socket finally permanently installed. So let me flip this on for you guys. Where is it? I got courtesy, no, not courtesy, deck light. Those are going to be my deck lights. Pretty cool. And still got to do my bilge pump and my anchor light back here, but in time it'll get done. This is also here's my running light, which is finished and complete. Pretty cool. So boat is coming along pretty good, pretty well. I'll open the seats for you guys. I'm trouncing through water here. You can hear it. So here you go. Rear bench is complete, permanently installed. I'll put the panels on when I'm ready with all the foam underneath and carpet. I'm going to throw a sheet of carpet down there just to give it something. There we go. Rocker panel, anchor light, running light, bilge pump, courtesy light, deck light, and I got an extra 6th spare auxiliary 2 it says, but that's a spare switch, and cup holders. So I'm still waiting to do the rear back here, but one project at a time. I'm liking the lights. Let me cut the light for you guys. See how that comes out. Look at all this water. Tons of water. Not sure if it's going to come out on video, but we'll see. So there you go. Just a subtle light, that's all I want. I don't want my night vision to be messed up at all when I'm out there on the water anyways. Just so you can see the floor and you're not tripping over anything. I'm happy with it. But most importantly, nav light. That way I can legally go out at night on the water. So there it is. Pretty cool. All right. I'm gonna be checking out.